Big Cheese with Big Cheese Adventures here. We're doing an unboxing or an opening of our new GoPro Hero 7. Just received it, and we got a couple accessories. We got the dual battery charger and an extra battery. We got the suction cup, and we got a bunch of SD cards, some 64 gigabyte SD cards from SanDisk. I'm not going to open those, but we got 4 of them. That should keep us going for a while. I'm going to just put those aside. Let's start with the GoPro itself. Let's see, how do we get this open? Okay, so here we go. I guess we just pull here, and it's point of no return on that. Okay, so opening it up, and stick our finger in, and let's see, give it a pull. Oh, I see, we got a box or something here. Oh boy. There we go. Okay, had to give that a fairly firm tug there. And let's see, we've got the box here. We've got, this would be the quick start instructions, some stickers, and important safety instructions. So we got that. Let's see what else is down in here. Okay, so that's the curved mounting, a battery, charging cable, flat mounting, and then probably, oh, nothing here. Okay, I was kind of expecting a charging cable, I guess. I guess they assume that you got a USB port there. Then, let's see, how do you do this? You unscrew it, I'm guessing. Oh, okay, let's see, it's showing us something else now. There we go. Push that up, and then squeeze it together and push it forward. There we go. Okay, so there we go, our GoPro 7. So let's try that again. We'll stick that back on here. How does that work? There we go. Push that down. Yeah. And I'm going to just put those aside here. We've got an extra battery and an extra charger. That comes with some more important safety instructions. We got a charger. Okay, I guess that holds 2, and we got another USB cable and a battery. Okay, and then let's see, we got this suction cup as well. We got to get that so I can get it stuck on the windshield of the car, and hopefully, there we go. Let's put that over here. And what does that give us? That gives us this arm thing, this suction cup, and a bunch of other odds and ends. A little carrying case, and oh, I see an angle mount, a little carrying case, an extra arm, and the suction cup. So there you go, our GoPro outfit, new GoPro 7. We're going to give that a try real soon here, and let you know what we think of it. So let's try that again. Let's see how this goes. I see, what is it? You squeeze it and then slide it out forward. Let's see, is the power on? Oh, I guess I'd have to put the battery in to do that. So we'll come back and do a first impressions after we've tried it out for a bit. So, GoPro 7. This is Big Cheese from Big Cheese Adventures.